What's up you guys, it's Carabelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a light arm workout. This is going to be beginner friendly, so go ahead and grab your yoga mat. But before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button for more workout videos. Let's get started. First we're going to be doing thigh taps. So what you want to do is come down on your mat, get into the plank position, just like this, and we're going to do thigh taps. Just like this, you guys. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 20. Try to keep your body as still as possible and just move your arms up and down. 3 sets of 20. Go ahead and follow along. Good job. Give yourself a 5-second rest. All right, moving into set 2. Good job. Give yourself a 5-second break. All right, guys, last set. Good job. Give yourself a 10-second rest. Coming off the mat, we're going to be doing some overhead punches. So what we're going to do is stand still, arms up like this, and we're going to punch up just like this, okay? 3 sets for 30 seconds. I'll have my timer on so you guys can follow along with me. Let's get started. Good job. Give yourself a 5-second rest. Good job. Go ahead and take a 5-second rest. All right, guys, last set of this. Go ahead and give yourself a 10-second break. Coming down onto your mat, or if you have a chair, you can use a chair for assistance. We're going to be doing some tricep dips. Just keep in mind that if you use a chair, you're going to have more pressure, more tension on your muscles, so you will feel the burn a lot more than doing this on the ground. If you're a beginner, I recommend just doing this on the ground with me. If you're more intermediate or advanced, go ahead and grab a chair. Put your feet out in front of you, arms back. Body comes off the ground, Body comes off the ground just like this. Don't move your body, keep your body still, just move your arms. Bend them, come back up. Try to keep your arms tucked as close as possible to your body in order for you to get the maximum benefit for this exercise. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10, so go ahead and follow along. Good job. Give yourself a 5-second rest. Set 2. Good job. Give yourself a 5-second rest. All right, you guys, let's do this last set. Good job. Give yourself a 10-second break. Coming up off your mat again for this last exercise. We're gonna be doing rotating punches, so it kind of looks like when you have a little punching bag, you know? We're gonna come up like this, keep your arms still, rotate, just like this. We're gonna do 1 minute going this way, and then we're gonna switch it and come back the other way. No breaks in between these 2 minutes, so just go a whole minute, flip it, 2nd minute, okay? I'm gonna have my timer on so you guys can just follow along. Let's get in. Good job, you guys. Let's go ahead and make the switch right now. Boom, switch it over. Good job, you guys. Good job. I can feel it right here, right here. Good job, everyone. I hope you enjoyed these exercises. Like I said, these are very beginner arm workouts that we can do at home with our yoga mat. Give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more workouts, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.